Welcome back everyone. I will do my withdrawal number 20 from this light and stable platform for trade BOUSDT.org. If you want to deposit or register from here, go to the mine. After you go to the mine, if you want to deposit, click register, recharge. After you recharge, click recharge, copy this address and go to any wallet, Trust Wallet or Binance Wallet and send the money to this address, TRC20 network. After you send the money, click this. The money will arrive in 1 minute to the platform. Like we see, minimum deposit 10 TRX or 10 USDT everyone. If you want to invite your friends from here and here, and if you want to trade from here, I trade every day. There is trade for BTC and Ethereum. I trade every day in Ethereum in the group for 1 minute signals everyone. I will choose 1 minute signals. This group this is the group. The name the group, it is BOUSDT special signals everyone. Like we see the signal now after 5 minutes green. You can deposit and trade with me everyone. There is 6 plans like we see. If you look first choosing all green, after you choose all green like we see everyone, this and this and this and this and this. After you choose all this, put 1 TRX and the profit is that. And if you lose, choose all green and put 2 TRX and the profit is 4 TRX. And if you lose, put 4 TRX and the profit is 3 TRX, and all these plans everyone. I will waiting the time to trade after 5 minutes, waiting me. Like we see, it is green. Now I will go to the platform and click buy and choose all green, and I will put first, like we see, 0.2 TRX and confirm trade. Successful trade. I will waiting this time to finish everyone. Like we see, I lose. I will click buy again and choose all green, but this time I will put 0.4. My deposit is 2 TRX. Confirm trade. I'm waiting this time to finish again. Waiting me. Like we see, I win and my amount increased everyone. Like that, I trade in this group every 1 hour. There is signal and I put the number and I trade like the plan everyone. I will go to withdraw now. Like we see, it is win after 1 lose and the profit is 4 TRX everyone. Every 1 hour there is signal in this group everyone. Link this group in the description of the video everyone to join it. I will go to withdraw now. Go to mine and click withdraw. When you want to withdraw everyone, put your address wallet TRC20 there and put the amount and click withdraw. Like we see, minimum withdraw 10 TRX or 10 USDT. Putting me. After I put my address wallet and the amount, I click withdraw now. Confirm. The withdraw successful everyone. I will go now to withdraw and go to my withdraw record. Like we see, every day I deposit and trade and earn money and withdraw again everyone. It is a lot of money every day everyone. See. After we write successful, the money will arrive in 1 second to my wallet, waiting me. Like we see everyone, it is successful and the money will arrive to my wallet in 1 second. Watch that. Like we see, the money arrived to my wallet directly everyone. I will go to my Trust Wallet and show you. See everyone. See the time and the amount at the time here. In 1 second will arrive to your wallet directly everyone. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to receive all new and stable platforms like BOUSDT.org, and you will see link register with all details and link groups for 1 signal or 5 signals in the description of the video everyone. Deposit and start trade with me. If you have any question, you can message me. I can learn you about the trade and how to win in this platform. Good luck everyone.